Hey guys, it's Sean Hackett, aka Street View Dude. Still here in Florida, still here in St. Andrews State Park. Last week's video was from the campground. We did a street view for the campground because Google Street View. It's been a long time, since 2011. Same thing out here. This beach has changed so much in the last few years. In 2018, Hurricane Michael came through and pretty much wiped out the beach, changed the terrain completely. So that's all you see right now on Google Street View is from 2011. It shows the old beach. So I'm here as the Street View Dude to update this for Google Maps since they haven't been out here since. It's my job as Street View Dude to update every place that I go that does not have an updated Google Street View or none at all. So check this out. Again, here on the beach, St. Andrews State Park. Right across the water there is Shell Island. I figured many of you may have already gone to Shell Island. You can do a boat tour over there and check it out and spend the day. So you can only get there by boat, so that's pretty neat. You can actually buy your tickets here at St. Andrews State Park for Shell Island, so just keep that in mind as you're staying here. Now there's literally a couple of miles of beaches. I'm not gonna walk it all, so I'm gonna do the main part, and I'm gonna actually do a fast forward on this for you, so you don't have to do anything but just sit back and relax. You can watch this as a 360-degree video. Gonna have that online on YouTube, or a flat video. We'll have that set up. It's also gonna be again on Google Maps Street View. So the next time you go to Google Maps, look down at the ground when you go to St. Andrews State Park Beach. You're gonna see my logo, Street View Dude logo. So also it'd be great if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It'd be awesome. That's really a thank you to me. I do appreciate it. We do these street views anyway. But it'd be great to if you would subscribe to the channel, so the next time we post a video, we're going to be at a different beach next week. You'll be notified for that. So hey, thank you all for watching, and leave a comment. Let me know if you've been to St. Andrews Beach before the storm, after the storm, whenever it is, and I'm going to get this rolling. All right guys, thank you again for watching, and we're going to see you on the other side. I got to put this over my head so you won't see me on Google Maps. This is a great beach area here to bring the kids. They put in this boundary over here, this jetty that was not here before. I think there was a jetty, but it wasn't to this extent. So keeps all the waves off right here. So you've got this lagoon area up here on the left, and we've got our little granddaughter out there today. And so it's great when you bring the kids. You can paddleboard here. There are fish, there are dolphins, you can snorkel. Usually there's a lot of pelicans down here too. And the naval base is close, so you'll see all the planes flying over, the fighter jets. It's really cool. All right. They're having a good time. You can rent, what is that, kayaks over there, it looks like. I don't know if they have paddle, yeah, they do have paddle boards, so you can rent paddle boards over there too. Okay. Street View Dude, aka Sean, is also aka Pops. Look at Nora and Lolly over there. Say hi to Street View Dude. It's a little overcast today, but this is going to be our best day since we're leaving Saturday, or a couple days from now. I'm gonna get closer to the water, it's easier to walk. There is a huge parking lot here, so I'm sure on the weekends and in the summertime, this place is packed. I'm a little out of breath, sorry about that. Right here is the inlet that comes in around St. Andrews, so these are all your boats come in to go into Panama City. So you have lots of boats. Nothing's really going on right now. It's kind of midday during the week. Okay, this sand is taking its toll on me. It's deep sand. They probably had to pump in a lot of sand after the hurricane. Woo! Okay, we're coming up on the ocean side. And again, if you're looking on the 360 video, you can look up and down and all around, and hopefully it's in 8K quality. If it's not, on YouTube, you can go to the settings for the quality of the video and go as high as it'll let you go. Sometimes it's 4K, sometimes it's 8K, but it all depends on your speed. All right, so oceanside again. Nice, a little more windy on this side. It does drop off. I'm actually going to go down to where it drops off and cut across. Can't remember if it's high tide or not. It is high tide. Okay, I'll go around her. All right, I'm going to jump down here in the surf and go that way. Normally, when the tide is in, normally when the tide is out, you've got a lot more beach area right here. Check out how much erosion there was here.
I love those things.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Whew. All right, hey, I wasn't sure if I was going to make it all the way to the end or not. It still goes a little ways further, but I was kind of out of time on the video there. And for uploading it to Google Street View, you can only have so many minutes of uploads and how large the file is. So, hey, thank y'all for hanging in there with me. I hope you enjoyed the little quick tour, the beach walk of St. Andrews State Park Beach. And it was a good 1.5 to 2 mile walk. So you got plenty of beaches you can see to come down and pick out your spot. Even if there's lots of people here, there's always going to be some empty space. So multiple ways to get in. The fishing pier is right behind me. So if you do fish, you can go out there to the end or even just go for a walk. So I'm going to try to have the fishing pier on, maybe some bonus footage on this, or maybe as a YouTube short, something upcoming, but I'm going to put that on Google Street View too. So again, the next time you get onto Google Maps and you do the Street View for St. Andrews State Park Beach and maybe pier, just look down at the ground and you'll see my logo, Street View Dude logo. And again, it's been updated since, gosh, it's been a long time since it's been updated. So it was probably before Hurricane Michael came through in 2018. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. It'd be great if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're going to be putting more videos on for other Florida state parks and other beaches. And it'd be great if you give me a thumbs up on it, make a comment, let me know if you've been here before, what you thought of it. And I'm going to put a link to the, let's see, one of the tiles here is going to show the campground tour that we did last week, 360 degree tour. So, all right guys, thank y'all for watching. I'm talking too much, I'm way out of breath. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.